It's summer 2021. Everyone is fully vaccinated and we're hitting the road. We'll hang out on the river with our friends, ride some e-bikes in Lake Tahoe, cool off in the Sierra foothills. We'll do some fishing in the high Sierras. And of course, we'll visit our happy place. So let's go! Hi, my name is Jason. This is my family. And we love to travel.
To the beach!
Or the lake.
In the forest! On the coast!
To the mountains. And even deep underground. I hope you come along as we travel all around our home state of California, the greater United States, and beyond. We invite you to come join us as we go exploring. Well, 2020 was the year of COVID. Everyone was largely stuck in their homes, and travel was hard to come by, to say the least. But now it's summer 2021. We have all gotten our full round of COVID vaccines, and the state restrictions have been largely lifted. State campgrounds are open, as are national forests and campgrounds. So we are packing up the motorhome and have made an itinerary to do some exploring in our own home state of California. Heading out of state is still a little too risky, as some states haven't gotten their COVID outbreaks under control yet. But there are plenty of places to go and lots to see here in our home state of California. So we hit the road and headed up into the Sierra Nevada mountains to one of our favorite places to go camping, Granite Flatt Campground outside of Truckee, California. When we arrived, our friends Jeff and Kelly were already there to greet us. Let's get out our gear and set up our campsite. Sitting around visiting with friends is one of the best things about going camping.
We weren't sure how much it was going to be.
We were nervous about how expensive it was going to be.
And we were poor, and maybe we were like, maybe because we had tapas or something, and it is like, $7, $8 per plate or something, and so we were like super conservative, we got like 4 things. Yeah. And we were like, I don't know, should we stop? And then they were like, okay, that'll be $12. Right. We were like, oh man, why were we conservative?
That's hilarious. $12. You're like,
it was something.
After catching up for a bit, we headed down to the river to see how full it was. pictures. In the evening, Jeff built us a campfire, and then we hung out for a while before turning in for the night. The next morning, the Trinnell family was up bright and early, so Jeff and I headed down to the river to do some early morning fishing. Nope, I don't think practice has anything to do with it.
Oh, okay. You just either are born with it,
Nope.
or it's Maybelline.
It's like 90% luck.
Eventually, Renee and her friend Kat joined us with some chairs and some hot cocoa. Jeff managed to hook a pretty good fish that was really fighting him, but unfortunately I didn't make it back over in time to help him land it before it got off the line. But like I've said before, it's not really about catching fish, as much as it is about spending time with the most important people in my life, like my best friend, and of course my family. After Jack got there, he decided he wanted to try his hand at some fishing too. But that's right about the same time the battery in my camera died. So we headed back to the campsite for some lunch. Even the kitties joined us for lunch. After lunch, we changed into our swimsuits and went back down to the river for some rafting and playing in the water. year, surprisingly, the river was pretty high, so the rapids weren't very rough, and it was more like just floating down a lazy river. I love the sound of the water trickling through the rocks. After playing in the river for a while, we headed back to camp to get out of the sun and have some snacks, and of course play some games. Kira and Jody had some rip-roaring games of Blink. And Jeff and Kira and I tried to figure out how to play letter Sudoku. We had one more night of campfire fun before packing up and saying goodbye to our friends and heading to our next destination.
Where are we off to now, Dada?
We're heading to, I can't remember the name of it.
Oh.
William Kent.
Yeah.
William Kent is stop number 2.
Yay.
Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to see the next adventure when we head to Lake Tahoe. And thanks for watching.